In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Brave browser. First, let's open Brave browser. You can do this by locating the Brave icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once you click on it, the browser will launch, displaying your usual homepage. This is the gateway to all your browsing needs. Opening Brave is the first step in customizing your experience, and it sets the stage for further adjustments. You will see familiar features like the address bar and bookmark icons. Next, you will want to type brave/settings/fonts in the address bar. This is where the magic happens. As you enter this address, you will be directed to the font's settings page within Brave. It's a straightforward process. Just make sure you type it exactly as shown. This step is essential because it takes you directly to the area where you can make changes to your font settings. Once you have it typed in, press Enter on your keyboard. Now you will be on the font settings page. Here you will find options to choose a new font for various categories. You will see options like Standard Font, Serif Font, Sans Serif Font, Fixed Width Font, and Mathematical Font if available. Each option corresponds to different text styles. Selecting the right font can enhance readability and your overall browsing experience. Look through the list and think about which fonts you prefer. From here, you can choose a new font for each of these categories. Click on the drop-down menu next to each font type. A list of available fonts will appear. Take your time to scroll through the options. You can see previews of how each font looks. This helps you decide which one is best suited for your preferences. Changing fonts can make a significant difference in how text appears on websites, improving your comfort while reading. After you select the fonts you want, you can simply close the Settings tab. Your changes are saved automatically. This means you do not need to click any Save button. The browser recognizes your preferences and applies them right away. This little step saves you a lot of time later. You can continue using Brave with your new font settings without any hassle. Now, let's recap what we did. We opened the Brave browser, navigated to the font settings, and made our selections. These actions not only personalize your browsing experience but also enhance readability based on your preferences. It's a simple yet effective way to make your online experience more enjoyable. In conclusion, customizing fonts in Brave browser is easy and quick. By following these steps, you can ensure that your browsing environment is tailored to your liking. Remember, changing fonts can improve readability and make your time spent online more pleasant. Thank you for following along and enjoy your newly customized Brave experience.